안녕하세요. You are not feeling well these days because you are only at home, are you? Today I'm going to make food to cheer you up. It's baby octopus. This is season of spawning of octopus. Octopus has a lot of taurine. The taurine keeps you energized and not tired. So let's make spicy baby octopus with me. Shall we begin? Go go! I have 500 grams of baby octopus and some vegetables and noodle. The first step, I'm going to groom the baby octopus. The baby octopus, you have to turn head over like this. Cut the intestine out like this, and this is egg, so we'll leave it, the eggs. The head, the tongue. Take the eyes off this, like this one, like this. There's a teeth. If you push this tooth, it will come out like this. Now, I'm going to wash the baby octopus. It's a very important process. Add flour, around 2 tablespoons, and rock salt, 2 tablespoons, and rub them like this. Remove the dirty stuff from baby octopus. Sucker here, there's a dirty, can remove it. From this process, get rid of the slippery and dirty from the sucker. Wash 3 times. It's clean. I'm going to blanch baby octopus. The purpose of blanches are dehydrate and removal of fish smell and for chewy texture. When the water boils, add vinegar, around 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Can remove some smell of baby octopus. I'm going to put octopus, then I will count 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And rinse in a cold water. This water I will boil noodle later. Rinse in a cold water to make the octopus firm and resilient. I'm going to make seasoning. 2 tablespoons of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin cooking wine, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of water, some black pepper, and mix it. The seasoning I'm going to mix with octopus. And put it aside. I have a 1 onion to square slice. Around 1/3 carrots, square and thinly. Cabbage is 250 grams. Green onion. We'll use this only white parts. Eight garlic cloves, minced garlic, I'm going to boil the noodle. The water from blanch of octopus. The octopus has many taurine, so I just use this water for noodle. After first boil, I'm going to put half cup of water and wait to reboil it. The boiling noodle is finished. Rinse in a cold water. It makes the noodle firm and resilient and chewy. I made noodle sari. I will make green onion oil. Turn it on the heat now. Oil and green onion without heating the pan. This is how I make green onion oil. When you start, the pan must not heating yet. Now it smells really green onion smell. nearly light brown. Then I'm going to put onion. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to make more sweet. Smell very nice. Add carrot. I'm going to add minced garlic. The minced garlic easily burn if I put earlier, so I'll just put now before last vegetables put. Add cabbage. All the vegetables are almost cooked. So now the marinade octopus I'll put here. It's fantastic smell. After put octopus, stir fry around 2 to 3 minutes. Enough. Last minute, I put starch with the water. Add some sesame oil. Sesame oil is just for good flavor, so just put after turn it off. I'm so happy to eat spicy baby octopus. I will taste one whole octopus. It's really tasty. Calamansi juice. I'm going to eat with noodle and baby octopus together. It's spicy but also sweet. Wow. I think when you guys cook this baby octopus and eat, you will not let go of the chopsticks or fork until the place is empty. I'm sure. You make spicy baby octopus. Follow my recipe. Enjoy my recipe. 감사합니다. Rinse in a cold water.